I'll show you how to update your blog custom filters. So, open your blog origin extension on your Google Chrome, head over to Extensions icon and click on your blog, and click on the settings here, and head over to Custom Filters. And to add a custom filter, you just need to type in, for example, #image, so this custom filter for image. You can also export some filters here, copy and paste. And this is how to add custom filters to your uBlock origin extension. You can also here find the filters list, the uBlock origin filters list. This is the list of all the blocked websites and that new blog just blogged, and this is pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.